Video type * long form, 10 to 14 minutes. Target audience * small business owners, solopreneurs, operations managers. Visual, a screen showing a typical dumb chatbot saying, "I'm sorry, I don't understand that question." Narrator * most chatbots are useless. They are just glorified FAQ search bars that frustrate your customers and waste your time. Narrator * but in late 2024, the game changed. Salesforce announced Agentforce, a platform that doesn't just chat, it acts. It's the difference between a parrot that mimics speech and a digital employee that actually does the work. Narrator * today, I'm going to show you how any small business can deploy autonomous agents to handle sales, support, and logistics while you sleep. We're moving beyond the prompt and into the autonomous era. Narrator * to understand why this is a big deal, we need to talk about the Atlas reasoning engine. Narrator * traditional AI follows a script. Agentforce doesn't. You give it a goal, like recover this abandoned cart, and it reasons its way through the Salesforce Data Cloud to find the customer's history, check inventory, and offer a personalized discount. Narrator * it's autonomous. It doesn't wait for a human to tell it what to say next. It plans, it executes, and it reports back. For a small business, this means having a 24/7 workforce for a fraction of the cost of a single hire. Narrator * you might be thinking, Salesforce? Isn't that for massive corporations? Narrator * it used to be. But with the release of AgentKit and simplified deployment tools like Elvex, the enterprise wall has crumbled. Narrator * small businesses can now use low-code builders to create agents. You don't need a team of Python developers. You need a clear process and a goal. Narrator * if you can map out your customer journey on a whiteboard, you can build an Agentforce agent to manage it. Narrator * let's get practical. How do you actually deploy this? Narrator * don't try to build one mega agent. Instead, build a swarm. 1. The Scout Agent * monitors incoming leads and qualifies them based on your criteria. 2. The Concierge Agent * handles the appointment setting and FAQ. 3. The Closer Agent * sends the contract and follows up on signatures. Narrator * this is where Elvex comes in. Elvex acts as the manager for your Agentforce swarm. It orchestrates the handoffs between agents so nothing falls through the cracks. Actionable step * start with your highest friction task. Usually, that's lead qualification or initial customer support. Automate that one thing first. Narrator * the brain of your agent is only as good as the data you give it. Narrator * this is why Agentforce wins. It sits right on top of your Salesforce Data Cloud. It knows who your customers are, what they bought, and when they last complained. Narrator * if you're a small business, your first priority is cleaning up your CRM. An autonomous agent with bad data is just a very fast way to annoy your customers. Narrator * the next 2 years will be defined by who can scale their output without scaling their headcount. Narrator * building an agent-first business isn't about replacing humans, it's about freeing your humans to do the creative work while Agentforce handles the repetitive tasks. Narrator * I've put a link to my Agentforce deployment checklist in the description. It covers exactly how to get started with AgentKit and Elvex for your small business. Narrator * if you want to see a full technical setup of an agent swarm, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, the autonomous revolution is just getting started. Title: The End of the Dumb Chatbot. Midnight to 0:06, hook. Stop building chatbots. In 2026, if your AI can't act, it's already obsolete. 0:06 to 0:15. Salesforce Agentforce has officially killed the FAQ bot. We're now in the era of autonomous agents. 0:15 to 0:30. A dumb bot says, "I'll find a human for you." An Agentforce agent says, "I've already updated your shipping address and sent you a tracking link." 0:30 to 0:45. With tools like Elvex, small businesses can now deploy swarms, digital employees that handle sales and support 24/7. 0:45 to 0:52. Headcount is the old way to scale. Agents are the new way. Subscribe to see how we build them. End screen, check out the full Agentforce tutorial.